Welcome back, hackers. Firmware version 1.0.8 released yesterday. It has been a few months since the last firmware update, and not much has changed. They did, however, update the theme_framework_version number, which will cause all themes to produce a warning dialog screen at startup. Let me show you how to fix this. Head over to your theme's main folder and open your theme.json file in Notepad++. You will see the theme_framework_version number. Change it from 0.5 to 0.6. Save your theme.json file to your pager, and let's reload the theme using my desktop shortcut. There we go, all fixed. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you get a chance, head on over to GitHub to check out my latest themes. Think about hitting that sponsor button, and I'll catch you in the next one.